A/B test variations of your product, main image, title, pricing, and more against competitors, and get real consumer feedback with our competitive comparison poll. To get started, go to Poll Types and select Create Poll for the competitive comparison poll. First, name your poll. Then, write or generate a shopping situation with our AI to get contextual and meaningful feedback. Next, fill in the question you want to ask respondents. Add the poll items. First, add at least 2 competitor products you want to test against. Click Modify Item, select Marketplace Simulation, choose your marketplace and country, and enter the ASIN. Next, add your product variations in each poll variation. Click Modify Item, select Marketplace Simulation, choose your marketplace and country, and enter the ASIN. If you want to test more than 2 variations of your product, you can add another poll variation here. In Poll Settings, choose your focus area or select all options to test the full listing. Identify your target audience. Use our Premium Target Audience for detailed segmentation or the Basic Audience for broader targeting. Set the number of respondents. We recommend at least 90 for clear insights. Fewer provides a snapshot, while more responses give clarity. In Positive and Negative, select Yes if you want respondents to choose their favorite and least favorite products. Hit the Poll Price button, choose Pay with Credit Card or Pay with Wallet, and click Checkout to launch your poll. We're now gathering responses from real consumers. Results will be ready in just a few hours with the basic audience and might take a day with the premium audience. Check out the poll results. The first section shows poll details. See which of your product variations scored the best and how products scored in each poll variation in overall results. Dive deep into detailed feedback in Poll Insights. Use the filtering options to find what you're looking for quickly. Situation Insights reveal what features respondents found important before seeing any products. The AI Summary tab provides a quick overview of the positive and negative aspects of each product. It also gives actionable recommendations to improve your product. Ready to gather valuable consumer insights? Launch the competitive comparison poll today.